Good morning, Jags. Welcome back to another Spots Show. I'm Leo Catalano.
And I'm Henry Decklever.
Hey, Henry, do you read?
No, I don't. I just never really know where to get good books.
Well, I've got a great recommendation for you.
What is it?
You should check out Books A Million.
Books A Million, what's that?
I think it's a bookstore. I'm not quite sure, though. Let's go to Emma Loma to learn more.
Right now, I am standing in the first BAM Books A Million here in Minnesota. Let's see what this new bookstore has to offer.
Hi, I'm Anna. I'm the general manager of Books A Million here in Bloomington. We just opened our store August 29th, and we're really excited to be in the area because it's the first one in Minnesota. One of the things I would say that makes us different as a company is the variety of books and other selections that we sell. So from books and puzzles to, Disney product, Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles, manga.
Through the month of October up until Christmas, Books A Million will do a holiday gift guide. This is where you can buy a book and they will wrap it for you for the perfect present.
I was very excited to go to Books A Million because my parents had one back when they lived in North Carolina, and there's not a lot up north here. I was very excited because they had a huge selection of books. They also had a great gaming section and comics section. While I was there, I bought A Drop of Venom by Sajani Patel, and it was great. I've just started it.
If you are interested in checking out Books A Million is located at 4260 West 78th Street in Bloomington, right next to Trader Joe's. This has been Emma Loma reporting for Jaguar Spots.
Wow, that sounds pretty cool. I'm going to have to check that out.
Yeah, maybe you can pick up a good book and be a little smarter.
Yeah, maybe.
Speaking of good books, have you heard anything about our yearbook?
Yeah, I heard that class is super fun.
Oh, it's a class?
Yeah, it sure is. That's all I really know about it. Let's go to Tenzin Kelsung to find out more.
Hi Jags, do you guys ever wonder what's going on behind the scenes of Yearbook? Well, we interviewed Mrs. Mo's students for Yearbook class to give us some information. Let's hear.
Yearbook is in the classroom C4, so lower C wing, off to the right side once you come down the stairs. So Yearbook is a really fun class where you get to create the actual book. It's the only class I teach where we have such an authentic assessment. You're making the 2025, 2026 yearbook. If you're involved in any activities at Jefferson, it's really nice to have your voice in there because you know about it. If you're not involved in any activities at Jefferson, it's really nice to join it to learn about what's happening.
Yearbook is actually a really fun class. You get to design your own page and you get to use your creative abilities. So me personally, I like it, and it's just a chill, calm class.
You should join Yearbook because it's a really fun class if you like being creative. They should get a yearbook because it's a really good way to remember how the school year went and see a lot of stuff that happened during the year.
Make sure you get your yearbook this year to capture the fun memories you made this year. This is Tenzin Kelsung signing out.
Yearbook sounds like a lot of fun.
I agree. I always hear good things about it.
Another great place to have fun is the Bloomington Ice Garden. Have you ever been?
No, I've never been. But I do hear that there's some big changes coming.
Let's go to Bjorn Golden to learn the know-how of what's going on.
Hey Jags, have you guys heard of the new Bloomington Ice Garden renovations? Let's go give you an inside look on what it's looking like now. Now let's go ask some players and fans what they're most excited for about the new rink.
I'm excited to play on the new rink. It looks sick, and excited to see the new locker rooms.
I'm excited to watch the boys grip a little stick and puck this year. The games are going to be real fun. We're going to get real hype.
I'm just really excited for the new locker rooms, the new rink, and it's going to be weird seeing everything switched around, but it's just going to really be a fun season.
I'm most excited to get our own locker room and to have the new rink be a lot bigger.
I'm most excited to play on Rink 3, Rink 1, which is the old Rink 3, and especially for our new locker room too.
Yeah, I'm very excited for this year. It's going to be really fun with the new rink and everything, the new locker room, and just excited for all the fans to come out and watch us play.
Wow, I'm excited to go see the boys buzz at the hockey rink this year. This has been Bjorn Golden signing off for Jag Spots.
Well, I better get my skates ready. Those renovations sound great.
I agree. Maybe I'll have to finally pay it a visit this year.
Hey Henry, you play volleyball, right?
Yes, I do.
Do you know anything about how the girls' volleyball team is doing this year?
Unfortunately, I don't, but let's go to Christian Buck to learn all about their season.
The Jefferson girls volleyball team recently finished their season with a 10-14 record and placed 5th in the Metro West Conference. They will now head into the playoffs as the 3rd seed in Section 6. We checked in with the players and coaches and the captains to see how they feel about their season and how they are preparing for the playoffs.
I'm Crystal Dolman, and I'm the head volleyball coach here at Jefferson. I have 2 senior captains, Brooke and Lauren Paetzel, and a junior captain, Livia Sathry. We've had a lot of ups and downs. We are currently 9-12, which doesn't look good on paper, but we have a really tough schedule, and we are learning a lot. We have a tournament and 2 regular season matches before sections, so we have a number of things that we know we need to work on, we need to get better at. We'll be in the gym working hard and doing all the things that we can control on our side of the court.
So this season, we've just experienced a lot of growth, and we're excited to see where that takes us rest of the season.
We had a really good game versus BSM, and we're trying to take that with us to sections.
Our standing is pretty good going into sections, so we think we'll do pretty well.
The Jags will face the number 6 seed Burnsville at home tonight at 7 p.m. If they keep winning, the semifinals will be on Saturday, October 25th at 1 p.m. And the finals are scheduled for Wednesday, October 29th at 7 p.m. at the high seed. Go Jags! This has been Christian Buck reporting for Jaguar Spots. Thank you.
Thank you for that, Christian. I'm glad to know more about the girls' upcoming schedule.
Hopefully the girls can keep winning and make it all the way to state.
Well, I think that's all that we have for today.
Wait! Henry, you almost forgot something.
You're right.
Last minute congrats.
Congrats to the Jaguar football team. They earned their 1 seed in our section this weekend and will play at home on Saturday, 12 noon.
Both the girls and the boys cross-country teams finished 3rd at the conference meet last week. Congratulations and good luck at sections.
Congratulations to Sunny Baldwin for placing 2nd in the novice finals, Carter Klein for placing 6th in the JV finals, and Liam Carroll for placing 9th in the varsity finals at Lakeville Lucky Duck debate tournament last weekend.
Congratulations, everyone. Well, that wraps up another Spots show.
Yes, but don't forget to watch the credits to find out how students and staff spent their MEA break. For Jag Spots, I'm Henry Decklever.
And I'm Leo Catalano.
See you next time, Jags.
Over MEA, I got to go to Valley Scare, and I got to go into a bunch of the different mazes they have over there and some of the rides.
Over MEA break, I went to Screamtown with my boyfriend. We went late at night, and it was absolutely packed, super fun. In the morning, we went apple picking at an orchard like 40 minutes away, and it was great. And I went to Gustavus and toured them as well.
I went camping with my best buddy Skyla for our birthdays.
Over MEA break, I went up to my cabin in Lake Mille Lacs, near Lake Mille Lacs, and we pulled out our dock, and it was really fun to see all the fall colors. We went up to Duluth as well, and we got to see like the bridge go up when a boat went by, and it was just really cool to see all the fall colors and what fall really looks like.
I had a jam-packed MEA with my family. Wednesday we went to the zoo and did the pumpkin outing. Went to the Gopher game on Friday, watched them beat the Huskers, row the boat Skyma, go Gophers. And yeah, just spent some quality time with my kids and my husband.